If you can't make it to a Disney park, I have a few tricks on how to get your fix from home. All it takes is a little tech, trust, and pixie dust. This was supposed to be the year that this little guy was gonna see Disney World for the first time, and it was gonna be her first time seeing Star Wars Land Galaxy's Edge. But that ain't happening anytime soon, so it's time to take the magic into our own hands. I'm a bit of a Disney nut. I've made countless family trips there, and I've been fortunate to cover some of the big new attraction openings over the past few years. I love Disney because it created these worlds you can just immerse yourself into, and Disney puts so much detail into engaging all of the senses to transport you. So if you need a little transporting right now, start with streaming some music from the parks. No, that's not what I meant. You can stream tons of Disney Parks background music. It's the stuff that plays when you're walking around Main Street USA or Tomorrowland or Adventureland. Disney put a few tracks up to stream on Spotify and Apple Music. You may need to poke around to find a good mix. I personally like the background music of Animal Kingdom. It has a really good vibe. Or maybe you want to pretend you're chilling out at Galaxy's Edge with your friends. They even have the Cantina bar music that you can jam to. But I'm pretty nerdy about this stuff, so I like the really obscure music, you know, the stuff that plays at the hotel pool or while you're waiting in line. I even like the safety spiels.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
There are unofficial Disney fan groups that stream quality background park music. I like Sorcerer Radio at srsounds.com, and you can pull it up through an app or your smart speaker. But you want to see Disney. We can get creative with that one. If you want to feel like you're sitting right there in the ride, there are plenty of videos you can pull up. Disney even posted some new and classic attractions. You can also get perfect seats to nighttime fireworks shows. But you can take it up a notch by searching YouTube for 360-degree videos. Put on a VR headset to get a full immersive point-of-view experience. The YouTube account Virtual Disney World does have a bunch to pick from. Splash effects are not included. It's like I'm really there! If you want to run around the park on your own terms, check out a video game called Disneyland Adventures. You can download it through Steam and it's on Xbox One. The game came out in 2018, so it's before all those new Star Wars Land editions. But you can roam around the park doing random missions and even get some autographs and hugs from your favorite characters. Or jump inside rides to complete various minigame challenges. It's sure to be more entertaining than the backside of water. Or you could always make your own theme park, like this Twitter user who calls himself Wary Bones. The foolish mortal used Animal Crossing New Horizons to recreate the Haunted Mansion as his home for the character inside the Nintendo game. But to really feel like you're in the park, you gotta taste the parks. Disney has been releasing a bunch of recipes for famous park snacks, like the pineapple soft serve ice cream treat known as Dole Whip. Everyone knows a proper Disney breakfast involves Mickey waffles. But if you don't have a waffle maker, you can get crazy with another popular breakfast item. It's from the Polynesian resort, and it's called Tonga Toast. Some of the dishes are pretty simple, and the recipes are featured on the site DisneyMagicMoments.com. There are also a bunch of other activities you can find in the My Disney Experience app. You can get drawing lessons from Disney animators, or test how much of a Disney nerd you are with trivia games. Normally it's something you'd play while you wait for rides, but hey, the best part of doing Disney at home? No lines.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody.
Is there a good way to eat this ever? It's always so messy. Really feeling like I'm at Disney right now. Oh yeah. It's like I'm there.